Hey everyone, welcome back to Manny Maker. So you want to spice up your Silhouette Cameo projects with some cool new fonts? I get that. The default fonts can get a little boring after a while. That's why adding custom fonts is important. So in this video, I'll walk you through each step one by one. And hey, if you need any help along the way, just call the numbers on the screen to connect with our experts. Alright, let's get those new fonts installed now. First, visit a font website like The Font or Creative Fabrica and find a font you love. Once you've picked one, download it to your computer. After downloading, locate the font file in your downloads folder. It'll usually be a zip file. So go ahead and extract it by right-clicking and selecting Extract All. Now, double-click on this extracted file. In this new window, you'll see Install button at the top. Just click that and your computer will automatically install the font for you. If you're enjoying this tutorial and want more helpful tips like this, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Once it's installed, open your Silhouette Studio on your computer. Click the text tool and type out whatever you want. Then, select your text and click on the font tool from the right tool panel. In the text style pop-up, go to the search bar and type the name of your font that you just installed. Once it appears, just hit the enter key to apply the font style to your new text. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button. For more easy to follow tutorials, don't forget to subscribe our channel. You can also visit mannymaker.com for more DIY inspiration and creative crafting ideas. And if you ever need technical support or guidance, just give us a call at the contact number shown on the screen.